Growing vegetables in fabric containers can be a convenient and effective way to cultivate a garden, particularly if you have limited space or poor soil conditions. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to grow vegetables in fabric containers. 1. Choose the right container. Select fabric containers specifically designed for gardening. These containers should be breathable, allowing air to circulate and excess water to drain easily. They come in various sizes, so choose containers that suit the vegetables you want to grow. 2. Select the vegetables. Some vegetables are more suitable for container gardening than others. Herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley, salad greens like lettuce and spinach, compact varieties of tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. Root vegetables like carrots and radishes can thrive in containers. 3. Fill the container with a potting mix. Use a high-quality potting mix that is well-draining and nutrient-rich. Fill the fabric container about full with the potting mix. Leave enough space at the top for watering. 4. Planting. Follow the planting instructions for each vegetable. Make sure to space out the plants according to their specific requirements. For example, tomatoes might need more space than smaller herbs. 5. Watering. Fabric containers allow for good drainage, but they also tend to dry out faster than traditional containers. Water the plants regularly, ensuring the soil stays consistently moist but not waterlogged. Check the moisture level regularly by sticking your finger into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. 6. Fertilization. Since container-grown plants can deplete nutrients more quickly, regularly feed your vegetables with a balanced liquid fertilizer, or follow the fertilizer recommendations for each specific vegetable. 7. Sunlight. Most vegetables require at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Place your fabric containers in a location that receives adequate sunlight for optimal growth. 8. Support for climbing plants. Some vegetables like tomatoes, peas, or beans may require support as they grow. Use stakes, trellises, or cages to provide support and prevent the plants from bending or breaking. 9. Pruning and maintenance. Regularly check your plants for pests, diseases, and any dead or yellowing leaves. Prune if necessary to promote healthy growth and to maintain the plant's shape. 10. Harvesting. When your vegetables are mature and ready for harvest, pick them regularly to encourage further production. Follow specific harvesting guidelines for each type of vegetable. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.